So good morning everyone, I'm Sylvia the Crafty Old Lady, and this is day 3 of the Junk Journal July Challenge hosted by Meg Journals and Get Messy Art. And the prompt for day 3 was negative space. I had to look up what negative space meant. Most of the examples of negative space in art were something sort of like let's see, something sort of like this. You have a tiny focal point with lots of space in the background, of white space. There's a little tiny bug crawling on my book. So I actually thought about doing that, but changed my mind, and I decided instead to get some of the paper that I made last summer and use that as my background. I thought about inking the edges, but I thought no, just keep it simple and white, like white negative space. I found a quote about negative space and I typed it out, and it says, negative space is magical. Create it. Don't just fill it up. So that's going to go there. And then for my little focal point, I'm going to use this dandelion stamp and a little bee stamp, and that is going to be my whole spread. Very simple and lots of negative space. So I'm going to just get you in a little closer while I decorate my negative space. I can tell that I'm feeling already a little overwhelmed by the idea of trying to do a video every single day. So what may happen is I will do the videos, I will do some of the prompts offline and then just show you guys what I have made. So let's hope I have enough ink on here, and you know, I didn't glue this down first on purpose, just in case I mess up or it doesn't work on this paper. So there we have the dandelion. It kind of messed up a little bit on the top, but I think we'll just go ahead and go with it. Maybe I can try that again. Let's see. Yeah, that's a little better. Not perfect. And now the bee. We're just going to put him kind of flying around up here. So he came out great. I don't know if you can tell. So we're going to glue this on the page, and then I'll glue my, figure out where I'm going to glue my quote. I think I'll just go ahead and put that right down there. I could put it on the top, but I usually like to have my quotes on the bottom for some reason. So I'll put that right here. And my goal, I think, is to keep my spreads as simple as possible, and negative space was definitely a simple one, although you know, I guess you could make them as complicated as you want. So I'm really curious to see what others have done for negative space. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you again in the next video. I hope that you are doing well and that you are happy and loved, and we'll see you again next time. Bye bye.